Greetings traders out there in trader land. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade. Kicking off the week here Monday, January 22nd, 2018, and the markets go bullish, shrugging off the shutdown of the government. Wow. Did some research on this, and normally government shuts down, they just do not affect the markets. As a rule of thumb, today we hit record territories again. Check this out. Spider up 0.8%, Diamonds up 0.6%, NASDAQ over 1%, Russell's up 0.5%, Financials up 0.8%, US dollar down a fraction of a percent, and we have crude oil up 0.5%, gold fractionally higher, silver down just a smidgen. VIX, the fear, does drop nearly 2%. Bitcoin sells off. At the moment, at the time of this video, we're down nearly 13%. GBTC is down almost 5%. All right, let's take a look here at the markets. And as you will see, this is the Spider ETF. We are going higher, higher, higher. You see the moving averages, they're starting to span out, to fray out. That's a good healthy move to the upside, closing at the session's high. Really bullish. Volume though a little light on this pop to the upside, but nonetheless, after the weekend, if I told myself we were going to keep going higher, I'm going to change my sell to say this is buy territory again, buy and ride this upward. As long as it's going higher, this is buy territory. Okay, we are long in the tooth, but we are going higher. If you look here at the diamonds, the Dow 30, this is a high base ready to break out. There's my buy signal. NASDAQ, boom, closing at the session's high, buy signal. There, going higher, 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 higher. Small caps, Friday we busted resistance. Now we really just busted it here on Monday. So a buy signal there, pretty good. Financials, got a buy signal on financials. We got a buy signal there on financials. And the dollar, got a buy signal, but we're still drifting lower. I'm going to stay with my buy signal there. And a USO, I have a high base. I already have a buy on it for crude oil. It's good. Gold, got a buy. Even though I had a sell on gold, I'm putting a buy on it now because it's staying really healthy up here. Silver, I still got my sell on it. I'm not as bullish on silver as I am gold, but I almost put a buy signal on that. If that was a white candlestick today, would have got a buy signal. Just not ready to do it yet. VIX, last two sessions down, finding support at a major trend line right there. And Bitcoin, problems there. So we put over the weekend, we got a sell signal. We did drop here on Monday, down, busting a support line. Now this line is not yet formulated. It's still moving. If you look at this red number here, and it's going to prove me wrong, but that should be moving. Why isn't that moving? There, it's moving. Okay, you can see that number. It's ticking higher and lower, and so that means that is still a dynamic candlestick. It's still moving. This needs to get back above this trend line for this formation to remain bullish. Very important that it does that. So we're really holding our breath here to find out if it will go back up. You'll notice here we went below the line there, back up, below the line there, back up, below the line here, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Will it go back up? That's very important that it does. So we need that to happen. GBTC, here I put a sell on it because we did drop lower. I'm going to stay here. So anytime you're in consolidation, you're within these moving averages, it's just going to chop back and forth. You're going to get a lot of buy and sell signals, but because we're below the moving averages, it did get a sell signal there. Let's just take a quick look at big movers. Any big movers here on the Dow 30. Let's take a look here. Here's one. We got a 2-point Goldman Sachs. Put a buy on that one over the weekend, and boom, that one's up over 2% after the buy call. Home Depot up 1.5%. I got a buy on that one. And any other big moves? Woo! Gotta have a buy on this one too, Intel. And that thing has gone up, now above moving averages. Very, very good to see that. Let's see, any others? Microsoft's up pretty good. Whoa, Verizon up 3%. That gets a big, remember how he said it's a hammer, chances are it's going to be, and I think if I remember right on the weekend, I said I'm almost put a buy on that. I just said I'm not going to. I think that happened. I'd have to go and review that. Tell me if I'm right or wrong on the weekend edition. Did I almost put a buy on that one? I almost did, but I'll put it now. It's looking very, very good. And yeah, hey, that was fast and fun. Let's look at the Grok tech stocks. See if any. Amazon up 2.5%. Had a buy on it, and there it is. It's looking really, really good. Any other big movers? eBay up 3%. Had a sell on it. And now my sell is a buy. That's looking very, very good. Facebook up over 2%. I had a buy on it on Thursday. Boom, going higher. Google, wow, busted resistance, guys. That is huge. Alphabet popped resistance. This rising wedge is no longer a rising wedge. That is amazing. It needs to stay above this blue line. Needs to stay above it. Wow, so strong. Oh, right, we're not looking at them all. Hold on. Netflix up over 3%. It busted a resistance line. Guys, that is great. Great. Wow, very impressive. Date 22nd. Oh, today's earnings. Oh, so hold on a second. Earnings is like tonight sometime. So that's interesting. I don't know if they come out with earnings yet. I doubt it. So let's see what happens this one. I got a buy on it at this moment, but normally I'd never hold over earnings. It's a rule of thumb. Anything could happen on this one. Okay. Anything else we want to look at? Twitter down 1.4%. Had a sell on it. So there's the sell of Twitter, and it's just crashing. So I'll stay with my sell on it. So anyway, so here's the deal. If you have an interest in us training you, send us a text with your name and email address right here. And anyway, we're here to serve you. Take care and all the best. And we'll catch you guys shortly.